everyone, welcome back. We've all been there. Child and pet urine can soak into a mattress, leaving a stain and odor. Today I'm going to show you how to get urine stains out of a mattress. The method I'm going to use will not only remove the stain completely, including that dark outer ring, but it will also remove the odor. You're going to need 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 to 3 drops of liquid dish soap, an old rag, and a bowl. I've already gone ahead and combined all the ingredients in the bowl, stirring everything together with a spoon. Take your rag and dip it into the mixture and then start scrubbing the stain in a circular motion. Immediately, the stain should start disappearing. Depending on the size of the stain, you may be able to cut the ingredients in half or may need to add more. My stain wasn't too big and I could have easily used less of the ingredients. When the stain appears to be gone, let it dry for a few hours, then come back and check to see if the urine stain is still visible. If you come back and still see some of the stain as I did, take your rag and mixture and start scrubbing out the stain again. Let this dry for the rest of the day, checking back on it every few hours, repeating the steps as needed. I only had to scrub the stain the initial time and after the first 3 hours. After that, I can no longer see the stain and just continue to let it dry. If you start this process early in the morning, your mattress will be dry and ready to use that night. Before putting your sheets back on the bed, vacuum up any of the loose baking soda that may be lying on the mattress. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!